What is going on? Mr. Crazy1870, and here we have the GoPro Hero 8, which is a pretty cool camera, but it is, again, it's a little bit pricey, but again, nonetheless, still worth it. This is GoPro's newest camera to their lineup, but the main actual feature of the video is this right here. Now, this is the Media Mod. Now, if you guys have not yet checked out some of the video footage coming from the GoPro Hero 8, make sure to check out my little family trip right here. I recorded some pretty cool footage. Make sure to look at that just to kind of get an idea of the video quality that you're gonna get from this bad boy right here. But once again, this is a Media Mod right here. You can get this for about 80 bucks, and you're probably like, man, what the hell does it do? You know what I mean? But yeah, 80 bucks, and the way you install this is you pretty much are gonna take your GoPro and remove this little cover right here. So now we got that part out, we're going to open this one up, which has a little latch here at the bottom. You press it and you pull up and you get the mod open. So the way you install this is you line it up, you pretty much line it up like this. Connect with the connector, and you pretty much close it and you snap it in place. And now it's fully secured with the GoPro Hero 8. Alright, so now that the Media Mod case is fully installed, let me go ahead and give you guys a little overview. So here in the back you have a 3.5mm input jack. Now with that, you can easily attach, let's say, like a small little Rode video mic on the top hot shoe mount here. So that's another really cool feature. You also have another hot shoe mount on the side. You also have a couple more inputs. I'm assuming one's to charge the battery and the other one is to transfer media to the computer from the GoPro. Now here at the bottom with the GoPro Hero 8, you do have a built-in sort of little attachment here at the bottom where you can easily attach it to any type of tripod mount that you want to use. So once again, here at the top you have a hot shoe mount. Here I have GoPro's LED. It can easily be attached. Check that out. Really nice and really solid. Now the Media Mod also comes with a built-in microphone right here, which also works really well and pretty much ups your game in regards to your audio quality. Test 1 2 3. So this is audio quality coming from the Media Mod case using the GoPro Hero 8. Hopefully this gives you guys a pretty good idea of what quality you're gonna get with the case. So that's pretty much it. 80 bucks for the Media Mod case. I think it's a little bit up there in price, but it's definitely a pretty cool setup because you have, some of the most important things that you can have and are gonna need when it comes to you using the GoPro Hero 8, especially this little LED light. That definitely comes in handy when you need or you encounter low light situations. Hot shoe mount right here, which you can attach obviously an external microphone if you don't really like the quality on this one, but nonetheless, I still think it looks pretty cool and definitely will serve you really well when it comes to some of the needs that you're gonna need while shooting with the GoPro Hero 8. So let me know what you guys think of the Media Mod. Is it worth the 80? Do you guys have a Hero 8? Did you pick up the mod or some of the cool accessories? There's also a little sort of display that you can get with this, which is, I don't know exactly how much it is, but I'm really looking forward to getting it. Maybe I could check it out, but let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to check out the 2 latest videos. Feel free to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.